Hi everyone, I'm Scarlett McAvoy and this is my introduction to our fall class. I work at Katahdin Elementary School where I have worked for 12 years. I teach first grade currently and I've taught first and second grade in the time that I've been there along with the math cohort. I'm also training to be a reading recovery teacher. I wanted to share that I'm coming up on my first anniversary very soon. My husband and I were married October 13th of last year and are coming up on our first year, celebrating our first year of marriage. Melissa, you wanted to tell us about ourselves or places to visit in Maine, so I thought I'd do both here. I worked several summers in Acadia National Park with Carriages of Acadia. I enjoyed hiking there and still go back in the summer. It's definitely a spot I would suggest for anyone. Sticking with hiking, I live very near to our new national monument, and I also work with the Katahdin Learning Project, which is a group in our area focused on getting kids involved with place-based education and working in nature, both in the monument and outside of it on our school grounds. This is a photo that was taken at a teacher workshop that we put on. We've just completed our third annual workshop. So I'd also love to share any information about that with anyone who's interested. But if you're into hiking, this is also a great place to be. And that is my introduction. See you all soon.